Hello everyone, welcome. Today our stick painting works are whale and color it. First, let's use a black mark pen to draw the whale's body outline. It's like a large water drop shape. Draw the tail again. Then draw the whale's hand and belly. It also has a pair of cute eyes and small mouths. Finally, draw some water droplets on the whale head. The simple picture is done now. It's great to bold a simple stroke with a maker pen. That's really great. Now let's start coloring. Blue, yellow, green, purple, yellow, pink, red, light green, our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.